Welcome, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 6 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Before we start, two things to mention. The first one is that if you want to use the phone application to factory reset your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And the second thing to mention is that if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on it is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. So let's continue with the reset. Open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with your watch. Tap on devices icon, select your HUAWEI Watch GT6 from the list of devices, then scroll down and find the option called Restore Factory Settings. Tap on it, tap on Restore, and wait. The watch will disappear from devices page and it will start resetting itself to the factory default settings, which will take a minute or maybe two for it to finish. Okay, and here we have the list of languages, which means that the factory reset is complete, and that's how you factory reset this watch by using the phone application. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.